In this video, I'll show you how to schedule a meeting on Zoom. First, open the Zoom application on your computer. On the Home tab, click on Schedule. Now enter your meeting topic at the top. Next, choose the date of the meeting. Then set the start time and choose how long the meeting will last. Make sure you also check the time zone. This is important, especially if your attendees are in different countries. Most of the other settings can stay as default. If you want extra security, you can set a custom passcode for the meeting. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Your meeting is now created. If you want to send the invite, click Copy to Clipboard and paste it into your email or message. To find the meeting later, go to the Meetings tab. When it's time to start, simply click Start. You can also schedule a meeting on the Zoom website at zoom.us. And that's it. That's how you schedule a meeting on Zoom.